pa lang siya naiintindihan na importante pala yung mga bagay na to. Pagbata ka kasi, di ba, kung pinapagalitan ka dahil kailangan maglinis, parang ikaw.
Yeah. Yung ganyan pa naman, ano mo kay Ma?
Hindi kasi masyado siya eh. Pagka sobra niyang strict. Kaya I went the opposite way. Yung parang ayoko maging ganun. Pero I think my traits of my mom, I think my dad kasi super siyang free spirit, super artist. And part of my mom was more, I guess, structured. And I think merong part nun na kuha ko kahit pa paano ba. Tsaka hilig sa books. Yung bata pa lang ako, yung hilig ko, love ko for books. It's really because my mom loved books. And then, she was also very funny. Both my parents are funny. And actually, yung mama ko maawain. So, nakuha ko yung pusong mamo.
Yes. Okay, isang message mo na lang for all the mothers.
Sa lahat ng mga kapwa nanay ko, Happy Mother's Day po sa ating lahat. Ipagdiwang natin. Tama ba yun? Ipagdiwang?
Tama.
Tama, di ba?
Yes.
Pinagdiriwang. Ipagdiwang natin.
Pagdiwang na.
Ito na lang. Sa lahat po ng mga kapwa nanay ko, Happy Mother's Day po sa ating lahat. Please, take this day and more days to celebrate, to rest, to empower yourself, and to remind yourself of how amazing you are. Because you, Mama, you are truly amazing.
Wow.